Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use TikTok for viral marketing, detailed guide step by step clearly. Create a TikTok account if you haven't already. Choose a username that reflects your brand or campaign. Optimize your profile with a clear profile picture, bio, and link to your website. Research trending content in your niche to understand what resonates with audiences. Identify your target audience and tailor your content to their preferences. Develop a content strategy that aligns with your marketing goals. Plan a schedule for consistent posting to keep your audience engaged. Use popular sounds and music from the TikTok library to increase your reach. Incorporate trending challenges and hashtags to stay relevant. Craft engaging and concise video scripts to capture viewer attention quickly. Utilize strong visuals and storytelling techniques to make your videos captivating. Incorporate calls to action in your videos to drive engagement. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to reach a broader audience. Track and analyze your video performance to identify what works best. Adjust your strategy based on performance insights and audience feedback. Engage with users through comments and direct messages to build community. Stay updated on TikTok trends and algorithm changes for optimal performance. Experiment with different types of content, such as tutorials, behind the scenes, or Q&As. Leverage TikTok ads to reach a larger audience beyond your organic reach. Monitor competitors to find inspiration and identify gaps in your content strategy. Regularly refresh your content to keep it novel and interesting for viewers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.